radio rebels. I'm not dyeing my full head because when I dyed it back to brown, the lady said if I dyed my hair again, it'd fall out. These bangs right here, all new virgin hair. I got some bleach. Already sectioned off my hair, and we're gonna mix it until it turns into a paste. Start in the middle. I think the hardest bleaching process that I've ever done is bleaching your roots. Bleaching your roots is a nightmare, and I hate bleaching my roots because it always overlaps. Update with TikTok. So a video of mine like blew up on there. That is crazy. It happened like months ago, but really I haven't posted in months. And it was of this one dude in my class playing the recorder. It was super shaky, but the video ended up getting 1 million views on TikTok. All the comments were like, oh my gosh.
Stop being so shaky with the camera. I didn't know I'm going viral.
I wasn't trying at all, and it blew up. That is just TikTok in a nutshell.
So this is the part when I realized I did not apply it evenly. There was a lot of parts in my hair that were really, really dark still. And I selectively bleached those parts. This part is just not bleaching. I'm not gonna bleach it for a third time. I'm just gonna put it in. I'm just gonna put it in. I think it's light enough, but if it's not, then... As you can see, my roots have grown out. So what I was thinking of doing today is redoing my roots. And I'm also going to be giving myself a coon tail, maybe doing some more stripes. I'm gonna start sectioning off my hair and just chat with you guys. I haven't been to school in a month. I'm sad. I miss my friends, but you know, there's way more important things going on in the world right now. At times like this, I'm kind of glad I'm not in Hawaii. Imagine being on an island during this whole situation. That would be horrifying. But right now I'm in rural Pennsylvania. I think I sectioned this pretty good. I could just not do my hair for 5 months, but the thing is that I do not want to be looking like a hobbit for 5 months. So I just thought I'd just do my roots first, and then we can deal with doing extra strips then later. So what I'm using is I'm using the Punky color bleach kit. I still had some of the powder and developer left from the last time I did my hair. I'm just gonna start off with a bit, and if I need more later, I can put some more in. I don't want to waste this hair bleach. I think this will be enough. Oh, I fought so hard for you. I think my hair is good. I mean, I think I've left it in for maybe 40 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. I didn't set a timer. I probably should have set a timer. I think I'm just gonna wash it out. I'm gonna go wash it out now. Guys, in a second. I should probably change it to something else. I'm gonna have to blow dry my hair real quick. It actually turned out pretty good.
So even.
We're just gonna leave this for now. Okay, update. The coontail didn't work out, so I just washed it out. Maybe in the future I'll try coontails, but it didn't work out, so I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and let this dry, and then put these in. Okay, so I forgot to film, and I think that's probably a good thing because I only have a small percentage of battery left. I put the color in my hair. I'm saran wrapping it. I'm gonna leave it in for a few hours. I'm gonna go get something to eat, and I'm gonna charge my camera battery.
Okay, so just because we're on quarantine, does that make everyone a professional hairdresser? No, sweetie, it doesn't. Stop dyeing your hair. It looks like a bag of Skittles is throwing up in your head. Also, for every guy who is slitting their eyebrows, it looks like there's a railroad